All right, everybody, so here we go. Got one side set up on this pigtail. Let me just go ahead and show you. I'm gonna do that light over there. That's gonna go right in here, even though there's not, see, like I did this one right here just to kind of be able to move the seat around until I run all the power to it. So that'll just be like a little adapter. But for now, just to show you guys how to pigtail these right here. I think that's how they call it, but I'm gonna give you a little example with these. Turn off this. Okay, so for starters, your kit comes like this. It comes with these little keys. These little keys are to be able to pop these back out. But I'm gonna show you these right here. So I got two more to go. So for sure. Okay, so this is a male. This is a female. So I was about to give up on this already. It just turns out I was doing it the wrong way. Actually, I'm gonna put this down here. So I had already done these right here and I popped them in. What I didn't realize was that I was actually supposed to lift this up right here. Come on. Bolt snap. It should already come up. All right. So when they're like this, they're a little loose until you press these little grommets in there, which I'm gonna show you. So you want to slide them in through first. Strip your wire, twist them. So now, oh no, wait, hold on. So I'm actually messing up because I'm gonna do, both of these are gonna be females because they're just gonna stay on this side. So let me get another camera. All right. I don't know why it's always. Come on, man. You know what? Let me try this. See what that does. Nah, I think the other way worked better. So this was the way I was originally doing it. And come back and just fix this. There you go, like that. That's good enough for me. Let's do the next one. I'll get another one because I jacked that one up. That's good enough. Good enough, man. I mean, I guess it's not bad for my first time using them. And I grab this bad boy right here. Press this grommet in. So I think this grommet right here is meant for like to keep moisture out. But I think it also works for like keeping them in place. All right, so right there it's clipped. We got the light on the bottom half right here. The seats are going to be powered through the top half. So right here I only pinned this top half, which is for the seats. All right. So ground, power. Front, back. All right, you see that? I'm gonna have to reposition these wires right here because look at that down right there. Wait a minute. This one's gonna have to flip over. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. No, wait. Yeah, I pinned these backwards, which is not gonna be a problem. Actually, look. Yeah. Pull these up, and in order to pop these out, all you have to do is grab the right size. Hold on. Maybe a smaller one. There you go. Pop right out, look. So this is a perfect example why you got to take a break sometimes. I don't know what the heck I was talking about at this point. Switching those two yellow wires with each other was going to do nothing. What really happened was I mixed up the 12-volt labeling with the ground labeling at some point, and that's what it was. So when I was testing them one way, and when I labeled them, I just kind of wrapped them up a certain way, which was they were wired up backwards or something, which doesn't really affect it at all because they're reverse polarity switches anyhow. Because the problem here is that they are reverse polarity, right? So wire those up. Initially, this is the ground over here, so I'm gonna put this to ground. Now I'll put this to power. Okay, so it's backwards there. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Flip these over. So now this one's gonna be the ground. So look, see? All right, now we're good there. All I gotta do is redo my labels. So at some point right there, what the hell? All right. So I think I know what happened. If you look at these switches, I believe that when I installed them, I might have installed them backwards. So that was the issue there. It's not that I labeled them wrong. I just installed them backwards. Damn, I didn't need two of them. So this is my ground now. Bet. I got my 12 volt, my ground. Boom. Plug and play. Up, down. Perfect. Perfect. So now all I'm gonna do is rewire these wires. Zip tie certified. There we go. So I just have to move them out of the way a little bit because they were kind of right here and they were pinching in between this part. That's pretty good. Looks good. So these wires will always be preloaded. That's one bad thing about having power just going everywhere, but it is what it is. What am I gonna do now here? That's a wrap. Well, that's a wrap, folks. Check it out. Looks pretty good to me, no? What do you guys think? Not bad for a quick little Amazon setup. Now, I still don't know if I'm gonna stick with these seats, because I've already been seeing some other seats that I'm kind of liking, like the ones from the Kia K5s. So I don't know if I'm gonna be sticking with these seats. I mean, this kind of worked out pretty good. I like the look. I mean, it looks decent, you know, decent enough. But I kind of been scoping out the Kia K5 seats, and the way they're more squared off right here in all these edges, I kind of like that look. But I would have to find one that's been wrecked and the seats are still pretty good. But for now, that's gonna work out. Like the seats, it doesn't matter, you know. The back seats are just gonna be the normal black seats. So these front seats, I could swap them out. But that is it for this video, because there is no point in me showing you what's going on with the second one, because the other one is gonna be exactly the same. Now guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let everybody know. Let everybody know what's going on right here.